Hello, this is Coogan Close, a 3-bed semi-detached house which is in a lovely housing development. If I just turn over there, that big building there you may recognise as Higginson Mill, which is a nice old converted mill building into apartments. We're on a sweeping corner here, and if we pan out there you can see the outlook that this house enjoys, looking out into a big open green wide open space. The property grounds wrap all the way around the outside of the property up to just past the lamppost and where the green hedge is, and you've got a double set of gates giving you off-road parking, which I'll show you from inside. So let's go and take a look at this wonderful house. So we come through a UPVC door and we step into a small entrance hall with a nice laminate floor, and the entrance hall gives access through to the living room, but I'm going to show you to begin with the WC little cloakroom here. If we pan out you'll get a better view. We've got a vanity wash hand basin, low level WC, so really handy ground floor cloakroom. And then we make our way into the living room. So the living room has got plenty of space for 3-piece suite, television table, and other associated living room furniture. And it's all been nicely refreshed this after its last let. Walls have all been painted, carpets have been professionally cleaned, and it's looking really nice. Good of a glimpse out of the front window there. You can see the low maintenance garden and that nice open view. And we'll pan back round. We've got a useful understairs storage cupboard for Hoover, coats, shoes, and we've got stairs rising to the first floor. Let's check out the kitchen. So it's a big kitchen diner full of natural light, which is on this nice sunny day, it's showing it really nicely. We've got a range of units at wall and base level. We've got an electric oven, we've got a 4-ring gas hob, we have an extractor fan over, we've got a 1.5 bowl inset sink and drainer, and we've got space and plumbing there for a washing machine. Turning to the dining area, you'll easily get a table there for 4-6 people. Nice place to entertain with family and friends. And from the dining part of this kitchen diner, we've got the double doors leading out into a lovely sunroom. And this gets nice and hot on a sunny day, and what an outlook. Look at the lovely garden you've got, all securely fenced all the way around. Lovely place to sit on an evening or during the course of the day and take in the sun's rays. We'll just show you around the side to begin with. We've got a timber frame shed for storage, getting the lawn mowers and garden implements in there. And we walk around and we've got a pedestrian gate going through to the front of the property, and a place to store bins out of sight. And then let's go and take a look at this lovely garden. Laid to lawn, there's a little bit of an area where you can plant to the borders, and there's 1 or 2 mature shrubs and trees. As we walk down to the bottom of the garden, we can see the hard standing, which is where you've got your off-road parking through the double gates then leading back out to the street and to the main road. Okay, so that's our ground floor. Let's go and take, well, a pause there. What a beautiful looking house. We'll go and take a look upstairs.